Hey guys, Robosapien 582 here, and today I'm going to be making a video for Anthony or Project Nova Zero. Now, you've requested me to make a video of the problems with my bronze Robosapien V2. Well, here they are. So, obviously, besides that wrist that's snapped off and the leg that's coming off, he's in great shape. Just bring him closer here so you can get a better look at the robot. So as you can see, overall he is in pretty terrible shape. You can see the wrist right here is supposed to go there, but you can see it's snapped off. And also, listen to this, the motor in here. That's because the motor inside is burnt out in that arm. The tilt motor, fine. The motor in here, fine. Motor in this leg, it's all intact. But when I go to tilt his body, tilt his body, I already showed you that. When I go to twist it, however, you can hear there's no motor noise. You can see I'm twisting it, but yet there's no motor noise. Like, I mean, the motor in here is still intact perfectly. Just have to rotate the shaft to show you. Same with this one. And this arm. It's good. The eyes are good. The head motors are good. And when I go to lean his body, that motor's intact. But yeah, like I said, this leg is coming off. You can kind of see where it's breaking. It's like a bit of clear plastic that's broken right there. There you go. But yeah, overall this V2 is in really bad shape. Come on, focus here. There we go. So, when I first tried him with batteries, or when I tried him with batteries last time, he would not do anything. His eyes wouldn't even turn on. Like, it's that bad that he won't even do anything. So, turn around to the back. The back is in really good condition, although there's a little bit of paint missing right there, which isn't that big a deal. Switch, it's in really good condition. I mean, the speaker's still in excellent condition from what I could tell. Turn him back around here. There's nothing wrong with the switches. Same with in the hands. Yeah, it's been sitting here for quite a while, so it has been collecting dust. Now, this guy does not have any batteries in him, so, but you can see here the bottom of his feet are in really good condition. To prove that he has no batteries, I will go and get a crosshead screwdriver to open up the battery compartment, just kind of to prove that. Just gonna put the camera down right here. It's been a while since I've checked on this guy, but hopefully this should work. So as you can see in this first compartment, no corrosion whatsoever in this foot, no corrosion on the battery terminal. Now I am going to show you the other foot. Grab the camera again, and as you can see in the other foot, no corrosion whatsoever. Battery compartments are very, very clean. As you can see, there's still no corrosion in here. So, yeah, let me just put the covers back on, and then I'll show you the remote. No, I'll just leave these for inside. Oh, jeez, got the wrong cover. Whoops. Get that done up. There's one. There's the other one. Just get this guy stood up. Okay. So that's the V2 itself. And now I'm going to show you what the remote looks like. The remote itself is actually a lot better condition than the actual robot. So here's the remote. The buttons are very, very clean here. Everything works. I'm gonna have to switch hands here. Toggle sticks work. So, yeah. Basically, he's in desperate need of repairs. And I'm not exactly sure how much this would cost or how much you'd charge me for this. So, if you could tell me the price, that would be great. I will, of course, leave the link in my comment that I leave on your repair service video. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Thanks for watching, and of course, I'll see you in the next video.